Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon advertising best practices. Let's dive in. If you are following along from my screen, we'll cover how to use Amazon advertising best practices to boost your ad performance and get the most out of your campaigns. Following these best practices can help you achieve better visibility, higher conversion rates, and more efficient spending. First, it's essential to understand your goals. Are you looking to increase brand awareness, drive traffic, or boost sales? Having clear objectives will help you choose the right ad types and strategies. For example, sponsored products are great for driving sales, while sponsored brands can help increase brand visibility. Next, optimize your product listings. Before you even start advertising, make sure your product detail pages are complete and compelling. High-quality images, detailed descriptions, and positive customer reviews can significantly impact your ad performance. An optimized listing ensures that when customers click on your ads, they're more likely to convert. Keyword research is crucial. Use Amazon's search term report and other keyword research tools to find relevant and high-performing keywords for your ads. Aim to include a mix of broad, phrase, and exact match keywords to capture a wide range of search queries. Regularly review and update your keywords based on performance data. Another best practice is to leverage automatic and manual targeting. Start with automatic campaigns to gather data on which keywords and products perform well. Then, use this data to create manual campaigns with more precise targeting. This approach allows you to benefit from Amazon's algorithms while also having control over your bids and targeting. Budget management is key to sustaining your campaigns. Set a daily budget that aligns with your advertising goals and adjust it based on campaign performance. Regularly monitor your spending and make sure you're not exceeding your planned budget. Also, consider allocating more budget to your best performing campaigns. Don't forget about negative keywords. Adding negative keywords helps prevent your ads from showing up for irrelevant searches, saving you money and improving your ad relevance. Regularly update your negative keyword list based on search term reports. Ad creatives play a significant role in attracting clicks. For sponsored brands and sponsored display ads, use eye-catching images and compelling headlines. Make sure your creatives align with your brand identity and message. Testing different creatives can help you determine what works best. Monitoring and optimizing your campaigns is an ongoing process. Use Amazon's advertising reports to track key metrics like impressions, clicks, conversions, and ACOS. Analyzing this data will help you identify areas for improvement and make informed decisions. Regularly adjust your bids, budgets, and targeting based on performance insights. Lastly, stay updated with Amazon's advertising tools and features. Amazon frequently introduces new tools and updates that can help you enhance your campaigns. Keeping up with these changes will ensure you're using the most effective strategies and staying ahead of the competition. That's all for today's video on Amazon advertising best practices. By following these tips, you can maximize the effectiveness of your campaigns and achieve your advertising goals. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.